Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So I am here to show you how I use these planters that I got from Dollar General last year. I believe they were normally $1. I believe I either paid a quarter for one, either a quarter or a penny. I am not sure. I'm going to say a quarter. It's either a quarter or a penny. So I have it. This one is yellow, but it's looking green on camera. Purple, green. Look at both of them. This might look like a lighter green, but actually this is it's like a yellow, a cross between yellow and green. This is the green and this is the blue. So what I did, I put newspaper at the bottom. I put papers at the bottom. Then I put gift tissue on top, and then I put shreds at the top. Normally I'll do my shreds last, but because of the items that I'm putting in there, I'm putting the shreds first. And if I need any fillers, I'll go ahead and do the filling. Here I also have prayer cards that I got from Dollar General, that I got from $1.25 tree a couple of years ago. Whenever I go to $1.25 tree and I see these, I normally pick them up, especially if they have different colors that I've not seen before. So these came from $1.25 tree. If you all shop at Dollar General, you remember they had these last year on clearance for 75%. It went to 50 to 75. Then they went to a penny. So I got all of these a penny each. This is the frosted apple. I have it in the lotion, the body wash, and the fragrance mist. This one is the Harvest Spice, and this one is the Cozy Cabin. Now, some of y'all might say these are winter scents. Let me tell you something. If I love a scent, I'm not going to wait until it's that season to say, well, for instance, this. I'm not going to wait and say, oh, it's because it's a winter scent, I'm not going to buy it for Mother's Day. Look, if you love the smell, you're going to buy it regardless. Just like how you would go to, Bath and Body Works or Victoria's Secret and buy all these scents. It doesn't matter what time of the year it is. If you love the scent, you love the scent. So these were actually, I got all of these for a penny. Yep, I got all of these for a penny. And I got these Happy Place from Walmart over the holidays. I believe these were either 99 cents or $1.29. I have the body mist, I have the lotion, and I think I have the body wash somewhere. So I'm going to go ahead and put, these are all my, not all my stuff, but some of my stuff. I got this Mickey Mouse Congrats Graduate Globe from Walgreens last year. I think I paid like 89 cents for this. This is in a cellophane bag with an Aeropostale men's spray, and behind there is a from Walmart, Bodycology hand lotion. That's for men, that's for graduation. I'm also making graduation gifts. These Light Up Rose, I got these from Family Dollar after clearance for Valentine's Day. I'm going to use this in my Mother's Day gifts. And here, this one is the Minnie Mouse Globe with a Victoria's Secret body spray and the Bodycology lotion at the back. So I'm going to go ahead and show you all how I put this together. Okay, I'm going to do the purple one first. So this sticker is not all the way, well, that's all right. I don't know why Dollar General did that. They have the price at the bottom for $1, and then they had it also on the inside against the inside of the container. I had was to use my blow dryer and take that off. Okay, so let's see. What I'm glad with this is that it doesn't have a price on it, which is perfect. So okay, I want to make sure you all are seeing what I am doing. I'm just pushing these down so that it's not sticking out. You might have a few that sticks out, but that's okay. So here are my 3 items I'm going to put in here. I'm going to put the body wash, the lotion, and this smells so good, vanilla and sandalwood. Anything with sandalwood, oh my goodness. I love the smell of sandalwood. And what I like with this one, it's covered, so you cannot. That's one thing, guys. When you're buying these items, especially from $1.25 tree, make sure, I could smell it through this one, through the spray. I could smell it. Make sure when you're buying these items, they are not open, because what a lot of people do, they break the seal off it just to smell it. I don't need to do that. Okay, let's see how we're going to place this. Let me put the camera up some more. Okay, all right, good. So I'm gonna have it like so. I want to put it on at an angle where it's let me see, how am I gonna place that? I did one before. I'm trying to see how I did that one. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna put this, the prior card, I'm gonna put one right here. I'm gonna wait, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna wait until I put the items in there, then I place it against it so that it doesn't move. I gotta feel out how am I gonna, this is very tall. Does it make a difference if, should I do this? Let's see which one works better. This. Okay, this is how I'm gonna do it. I'm putting both of these together. Then I'm gonna tape it together so that it doesn't move. Where's my tape? Here you go. I'm gonna put these 2 together. And I'm using the transparent tape. Remember, you all use transparent tape because you don't want to have your items, you don't want to have the tape showing through your let me take this out and do them together first, because it's a little bit of a challenge with me trying to do this. So okay, you're here, okay. I just want to make sure you guys are seeing what I'm doing. So, being that I'm going to put I'm also going to put piece right here so that it stays in place. And then I'm going to put the prayer card at the back so that if you turn the gift around, you will see the prayer cards. Okay. I wish I had purple shreds. Do they sell purple shreds? I think they do. But I'm using what I have. These I got from Walmart after Valentine's Day sale. So this is one. Since this already have a body mist, a body wash, and a lotion, I might put a rose right here. Let me see if I have a rose. Okay, so I put a purple flowers here that I also got from Dollar General on their clearance. I think it was last year or about 2 years ago. And I have a little rose. Let me come down further. And I have a little rose that I got here from Dollar Tree. I just open it and put that there. So this is what one looks like. This is what the purple one looks like. This is the back, but if you turn it, anywhere you turn this one, you will see some sort of picture instead of having that backside, what should I say, blank. So this is actually the front, but you could look at it from both angles and something will be on both sides. So this completes one. I'm gonna go off camera and do the rest and come back and show you what it's looking like. Okay, you all, so this is the finished product. So as I had said before, with this one I put the frosted apple. This one have the vanilla and sandalwood. This one have the pumpkin and ginger clove. And these over here is free for all. And I'll show you why I said it's free for all. I thought I had enough to make, I mean, when I say had enough, I mean sets to make the baskets. So I was able to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I was able to get 8 complete, well, I have like 12 complete sets, but I only made 3 of these complete, 3 of the frosted apple complete, 3 of this almost complete, and yeah, let me show you why it's almost complete. So this one have all 3, this have all 3, this have all 3. But for this one, I have the body spray, the lotion, but no body wash. So I use a Speed Stick body wash that I got from $1.25 Tree. For this one, I have the lotion and the spray, no body wash. So I incorporate this body wash that I got from, I believe, Ross. Same thing here. I have the spray, the lotion. I put this body wash. Now, when it comes to this fourth and final color, I said, okay, I don't have a complete set for the frosted apple. I don't have a complete set for the pumpkin and ginger. I have a complete set for the vanilla and sandalwood. But I didn't want to make another vanilla and sandalwood. So what I did, I put 1 from each scent. You see what I'm saying? 1 from each scent. So say for instance, someone might like apple cinnamon, apple and cranberry, or they might like the vanilla sandalwood, or they might like the pumpkin and ginger, whichever one of each is in this basket or in this planter. I have quite a few left. So this is what I did with my planters, because I need to get rid of these scents so that once they start to get rid of the summer scents, I will be getting those. And guys, if you happen to see these planters at Dollar General, if you cannot get out, I prefer to buy this for $1 than to buy something at $1.25 Tree for $1. Reason being, this is more sturdier, this is thick, and to me, because it have the rigid, I wouldn't say rigid edges, but those, you know, shape edges, it looks beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead, shreds are already in, I'm gonna go ahead and put, I'm not sure if I'm gonna put a rose between them, or if the gap is too wide, I might put a rose. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put a rose between them. But this is what it's looking like, y'all. Let me tell you, I'm going to start going out this weekend. Today is what day? Today is the 4th? Or the 3rd? Today is what? Today is it the 3rd or the 4th? Today might be the, Today might be the 4th. It's either the 3rd or the 4th. Look, I think it's the 3rd. I don't know. Whichever day it is, 3rd, 4th, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know which day it is. But I hope you guys are having a good one. Take care, you all. Happy hump day. Today is Wednesday, whatever the date is. Today is Wednesday, May 4th or 5th. I don't remember. I don't remember. So, okay, you all. Take care. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video, you all. Share this video. Comment, leave a comment in the comment section below. I know some of y'all might be saying, how much you gonna sell for these? Okay, let's talk prices before I go. Okay, let's do this one. As I said, this was, the planter was, I'm going to say a quarter. It could be a penny, but I'm going to say a quarter. Let's put in the extra 24 cents. So this was a quarter. The prior card was 125, so that's 150. A penny, a penny, a penny. So 150, 151, 152, 153. So this is 153. The items I purchased, 153. The shreds that's in there, plus the shreds, the bows, the cellophane bag, the pipe cleaner. Let's say this was, let's say 150. How much did I say? 153. Let's say this is $2. Okay, let's say I spend $2 on this, which is not $2, but let's say I spend $2 on these. I'm gonna sell these for $20. So I might say 25. I'm gonna sell this for $20. I spend $2. I'm selling it for $20. I make $18 profit. I might say $22. I might say $22 and make a $20 profit. $22 and make a $20. Yeah. $22 and make a $20 profit. Yeah, this is $22. But if someone comes and have $20, I'm going to do it. Because I have to make stuff for people who do not have money to buy multiple gifts, or who are buying for a lot of people and they need smaller gifts. So, you know what? These are $20. $18 profit on these. So, what do you all think? I'm going to make some baskets with these Happy Place lotion. I think I have the lotion. I have some body wash and I have some body spray. So I'm going to also make some gifts with these. Most likely it's going to be maybe a mug gift or more of these planters. All right. Take care, you all, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye.